Hello and welcome back to this series of videos on electric ukulele playing. We're now at intermediate level and we're entering the wonderful world of riffs. Or, for now, we'll work on pseudo riffs, similar to what jazz players call chord melodies. We'll still do chords, but the progressions are now helping form the melody rather than giving background support to the song. To practice this, we'll learn Give Blood by Townshend, an anti-war song. Ideally, we'd do some pitch whammying, but we can't. Electric ukes don't usually have whammy bars. So if you want a big pitch vibrato, you could do it with string bending, or as I do by bending and shaking the neck. It looks cool, if a uke can ever really be cool. Just don't showboat too much or you'll break your instrument. I'm using a zoom patch someone made to sound like David Gilmour from Pink Floyd, and it works here too. Tune your uke and let's go.